Hi everyone, I am Gnanasekar, CCNA in Security. In this session we are going to discuss about IVS resilient feature which is available on the Cisco routers and switches. This IVS resilient feature mainly used to recover a deleted file in the flash memory. It's mainly for the disaster recovery, and we can say whenever the administrator by accidentally he deleted the flash memory which contains a IVS image, and as well as he deleted a running configuration by the mean of reloading the product, or he deleted a startup configuration. In any such situation, the availability is the main issue, because if router is getting restarted, it cannot find the flash file for the running the IVS image, and it cannot find the running configuration. So during this case we have to restore the file, and that file, if we keep it somewhere in the network, by in the TFTP server or HTTP server or FTP server, some situation, it will be taking long time to recover the image. So during this case the availability is the biggest question mark. So the Cisco introduced this feature called IVS resilience in the version of 12.3 version. Using this features, what we can do, we are going to take a backup of your running configuration as well as a running IVS image and taken into the flash memory itself. So in anyone, if deleting the flash file or deleting the startup configuration, the backup is already there in the flash memory, we can restore it immediately. It is there inbuilt the device itself, so no need to go and approach the other networking resources like TFTP and FTP server. This will take only the running configuration, and whenever you are changing the running configuration, we have to take a backup once again manually. There is no automated process to take a running configuration in the interval time, and the flash memory will never show the file what you taken a backup after it is getting resilience feature is activated, so that any attacker or unknown person cannot see what is the file we taken as a backup. If we come to know this is the file we taken a backup, then he will be deleting that also, right? So here the flash showing that file name 3025, and this is the file name. Now this is the file I want to take a backup. Now we'll see how to configure IVS resilience in a practical manner. So I logged into the terminal server. I'm taken into one router into consideration. This is the router I want to take a backup of my configuration. I logged into a terminal server. From there I'm going to log in into a router which we are going to make a disaster recovery planning. Yeah, this is our router. Check the version what it is running. It's running with the 12.4 version, so it is having the IVS resilient feature. How to make it run? First of all, check show flash, which contains our currently running IVS image, and we can see our running configurations also there in the DRAM memory. And we taken a backup. For better understanding, I am changing the device name called R1. I am saving into the NVRAM. Yeah, attacker or by mistake administrator will be deleting the startup configuration and is reloading. So our currently running configuration also gone, as well as our startup also gone. In order to restore this running configuration, as well as if someone is formatting the flash by intentionally or accidentally, our IVS image also gone. So in this case, if you want to recover, this feature will be helpful. First, activate this feature. The command is secure boot image, and so it is, you got the log message. It says that actively it is taken a backup. Now execute secure boot config. It will be taking a currently running configuration as a backup. So we got the message. You have to note down this file name, because this will be helpful while recovering, right? For backup I'm keeping this name, and this file will be stored only on the flash memory. By executing show flash, you cannot find that file, because if any unknown person is coming and accessing your product, during that case, if he is seeing this file, he will be deleting once again. So this file will be invisible, and you can use this command show secure. It will be showing that it is activated on particular time period, and it is taken a backup of your running configuration as well as your IVS image. It is there here, right? Now For testing purpose, I am formatting a flash, hit enter, confirm. It is clearly says that it will destroy all your data, but it will never destroy your backup file which we taken just now before. Yeah, formatting is done, and reloading also done. After deleting the flash file, currently running configuration will never disturb. Until you reload, you will never have any issue. But in next reload, this file is not there. IOS will come into row monitor mode. It will take a little time to reload. So in this you can find it says that cannot determine the executable file name on the flash, because flash file is completely formatted, it couldn't find. Now you can see the file is getting loaded again from the flash memory without having any interruption. So this is what the disaster recovery planning. In case if the flash file doesn't contain this file, then we have to load it from the external resources. It will be taking long time. So during the time the availability services will be getting disturbed, and this is what the IOS image, it is restored automatically. There are multiple possibilities there in the disaster recovery. After flash is getting formatted and after the device is getting reloaded, it will come to row monitor mode, that is the first possibility, or it will restore the flash IOS image by itself. So manual intervention not required. Now see, the startup configuration also getting restored automatically. Yes. Now you can find the host name what we saved, it is restored, right? Okay. Sometime someone deleted the startup configuration, but the running configuration are there in the flash memory. That will not be restored automatically, that we have to do it manual. So how to check that? First to check the show flash, it will never show our backup file name, and show secure boot also will never show because the product is got reloaded. Now we already taken a backup of this file name. Copy this file name and go into the global mode and say secure boot config restore and specify the file name. It given the message successfully restored. Again check whether the show flash, we can find the file name now, and this file we need to move into running configuration. Do the copy flash the exact file name and move into the running configuration. Yeah, file is copied, and we restored our running configuration as well as we restored our IOS image. This is how we have to do disaster recovery. What we learned from this session, how to take a backup of your running configuration, how to take a backup of your currently running IOS image. If by mistake if the file is getting deleted, it will be there in the flash file itself. No need to load it from anywhere. This is called IOS resilience.